Hey guys, it's Ben here, and today I'm doing a startup sounds video for the Eskimo model 20124. So here we go. Alright guys, without further ado, here is Hi. Alright guys, we're gonna wait for it to spin down and then we'll do low. Alright guys, I'm just using the power strip for this video, that way it's easier. And 3, 2, 1. Yep. And then we'll do one more setup on high the other way. So now we're going to do it one more time on high. So I have to turn the power strip on. Here we go on high. Ah, yeah, it's been coming in hot, cold. There you go. Strange, the buzz actually got louder there. When I went around the back. I noticed that, guys, when you let it sit, the buzz gets quieter, and when you run it, it gets louder. Alright guys, so now to the theory that I have. Basically, I have a little theory, guys, where why it's buzzing. So the way, let's set it off. The way the way that the vibrations work is especially for let's say a guitar string, right? When you pluck a guitar string, the shorter the string and stuff like that, the higher the noise is. So I feel like that this is an ever so slight since it's sometimes it's a high pitched buzz and sometimes it's a lower pitched buzz. So I guess there's a little bit of a wire that's floating there and not touching the other wires, and that's why when it's varnished, it still buzzes, because it's it's still just floating there. So that's probably why it still buzzes, guys. That's my theory. Let's check out the spin down here. This is a really good spin down. Oh, it stopped there. So bye, guys. Bye. Eskimo. It's pretty good. If you guys enjoyed that video. And I hope you guys have a great day. My theory, there's one problem to the theory. I know that the motor has been caked with varnish, so I don't know how there could be a part that's still loose, but who knows, there might be just a slight coil of wire that's just ever so slightly loose, and that's what's causing that buzzing there. So goodbye, guys. Bye.